It has been a crazy ride this last couple of days, the last couple of weeks if you hold cryptocurrencies. Cryptos literally are pumping and dumping just left and right. There is just a lot of craziness. There's a lot of FUD out there and everyone is asking, what should we be doing? Is there a bear market? Should we be selling? Should we be buying? Well, in this video, I have some very important information to go over with you that directly concerns your cryptocurrency portfolio. If you hold Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, make sure you check out this video and stay until the end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you. Now, if you love these types of videos, consider giving this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments below, are you fearful as the rest of the world is very fearful and panicking, panic selling? Are you fearful or do you have diamond hands? Let me know if you have diamond hands in the comments below and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. So diving straight into the video, especially if we take a look at cryptocurrencies, we can literally see cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin, like we always like to take a look at, doing some crazy things. Literally, Bitcoin has been crashing and pumping all day long. I've been watching and trading the charts all day today. Bitcoin has literally crashed today. We saw a 3% crash and we just saw a 3% pump, and then yesterday there was a very big crash for Bitcoin where it crashed and it had all the way pumped even to last night 5%, and even Ethereum and some other cryptocurrencies have done even better. It's just wild to see the crazy volatility. Why is there so much volatility? What is happening? Well, in this video we are going to be diving into what is certainly happening. But before we really get into technical analysis, look at this. So Dogecoin whale accumulation is surging drastically thanks to Elon. So as I put in my videos the last couple of days, I've made some comments and showed you some information that whales are accumulating Dogecoin at a very rapid pace. And the funny thing is they're actually not only accumulating Dogecoin, which is a very significant crypto to be talked about that is being accumulated, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, a lot of other cryptocurrencies are being accumulated to a degree that is certainly breaching historical levels. But specifically, there is massive whales jumping into Dogecoin left and right because they know that Elon Musk is about to buy Twitter. So people are buying the dip. The whales are buying the dip. The whales believe in Dogecoin because they know that Dogecoin is going to be pumped up by Elon Musk when he acquires Twitter fully. He has not yet actually bought Twitter 100%, just FYI. So there's a whole bunch of reasons why this is happening. But honestly, behind the scenes for cryptocurrencies, we are seeing record-breaking numbers, record numbers of new addresses made for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for all these cryptocurrencies. The prices are still volatile. The prices are still sideways. We're seeing crashes. We're seeing pumps. Why are cryptos not going up when all of this bullish stuff is happening? Well, the reason why is a lot of it has to do with the US economy. There's a Fed meeting on Wednesday, which is probably going to actually end up having a bullish effect on the crypto market. That's why cryptos might actually be rallying now. It might be going up until then, and they might crash on that day. Who knows? But there's going to be a lot of volatility, I promise you, this week with what is going to be happening on the economic calendar for the US government. They're going to be potentially raising interest rates. They're going to be talking about adjustments on the balance sheet, and all of that affects the stock market and cryptocurrencies. Honestly, if you take a look at the stock market, certain indices in the stock market, you can see like the SPY, you can see the NASDAQ, and all of which are recovering. When you take a look at these indices, when they're pumping, you'll see Bitcoin pumping. When you see them crashing, you'll see Bitcoin crashing as well. So it's very interesting to see how closely tied Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin are very closely tied to the stock market. Now, let's go ahead and dive into technical analysis, which is the most important part, of course. Now, if you want to get access to buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, in my Patreon yesterday, the last couple of days, we have been making very profitable trades where I alert you through my technical analysis expertise when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Join tier 3 if you want to get access to all of my exact trades, copy all of my trades as a crypto day trader, and you get access to even speak to me on the phone where we can talk about your portfolio and much more. You can join the Patreon through my top pinned comment or in my video description, or go to MYLESGinvestments.com. Now, getting into this technical analysis, what's actually happening. So what we see right here is that ever since the other day, Bitcoin has recovered and has recovered a significant amount of about 5%. We did reach a top in this area, of course, but something that we need to take a close eye on, and something I did call out in my latest video, is that Bitcoin is forming this descending triangle pattern, and it is trying very hard to break out to the upside. If Bitcoin does actually end up breaking out here in the next couple of hours or in the next day or so, we are going to see a lot of positive movement in the entire crypto market. So this is something we are watching and waiting for. And in the Patreon, I will be letting you know exactly when this happens. And even on my other crypto channel, as soon as it happens, I will be making a video at MYLESG Trading. The link for that new channel will be in my video description as well. But right now, as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned, we are waiting on Bitcoin to make this very decisive move. We are approaching the apex, which we know that in technical analysis, when we are getting really close to the apex, a very big move is going to be taking place, whether it's going to be bearish, whether it's going to be bullish, but we don't know where it's going to be taking place or if it's going to be bullish or when. But we do know that this is, of course, a bullish pattern. So there is a bullish tendency of an outcome for this particular pattern. So it is likely that there is going to be a bullish breakout. But with all the FUD and with all the craziness out there, I would not be surprised if Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies did end up actually breaking down further. And honestly, we have been literally in a bear market for the last month. We've continually gone down. And until Bitcoin breaks out of this pattern, we cannot really see any bullish action. Of course, there can be from day to day, despite us being in a bear market, some green. But these green days come immediately after drops, after we've continually gone down. So these are called little relief rallies. So that's what's taking place. So what we do in the Patreon and on my channel is I try to help you capitalize off of these opportunities so that you can actually make money when the market's going down. So right now, the market is almost pretty much at a standstill. There is no clear direction other than we are in a downtrend of there being a reversal or us going up. But in the next couple of days, the next couple of hours, we are going to have very clear direction because Bitcoin will break out of this pattern one way or the other. And taking a look at the heat map on Bookmap, which the link will be in my video description. If you want to get a discounted membership, go ahead and sign up using my link. But basically, this is all of the hidden info, the whale data that not many people even know about, especially many traders. And this is literally all of the order books where all the buy orders and the sell orders are sitting on these support levels. So we're able to see literally where the money is at, the liquidity. And if we literally zoom in, what we can actually see is there is a lot of order books in the higher ranges, lots of them, for Bitcoin. And what that actually means for us is that the whales, they continually keep moving up their buy orders higher and higher for Bitcoin. And this means that the whales think that Bitcoin and cryptos are going to be heading up here. So given the knowledge of what I've showed you in technical analysis and everything else, we are definitely poised to make some very big moves. But of course, we must be completely aware of the bearish scenario, which can literally happen at any second. But even if it does, we're going to know when to buy. We're going to know when to sell. So as of right now, the market is, of course, unstable. There's just a lot of volatility. There's pumping, there's crashing. There's no clear indication of bullish momentum as of yet until we break out in a bullish way. And until then, cryptos are going to be continually going down. Dogecoin Shiba Inu are going to be continually discounted until Bitcoin starts to recover and to become bullish again. Now, if you want to get access to these trade alerts, make sure you join the Patreon. If you want to get access to my course, it's 66% off right now. We can literally learn when to buy and sell. I teach you all of my secrets. You can sign up for that at MYLESGinvestments.com. It's a complete video course series. And I also have a free email course, which you can sign up at MYLESGinvestments.com as well. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end, watching this video. Share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later.